Imagine having a beautiful flower in your garden that not only looks stunning but also improves your health. Picture yourself sipping on a delicious tea made from this plant and experiencing its incredible effects. Intrigued? Explore the secret advantages of this extraordinary flower and level up your well-being. Gaze upon the hibiscus flower, a vibrant explosion of color. These lively blossoms, belonging to the hibiscus genus, adorn landscapes with shades of pink, red, yellow, and beyond. Picture your heart as a robust engine. As time passes, wear and tear may cause it to lose steam. But introducing hibiscus flower is like installing a natural spark plug. It boosts your heart's performance, ensuring that essential engine runs seamlessly. Here are the benefits. Feeling stuck in your own skin? We understand. Weight loss can seem like an endless struggle. But imagine if you could drop those pounds and reconnect with the vibrant, confident you. Visualize your fat cells as balloons brimming with surplus energy. Sipping hibiscus tea is akin to giving these balloons a subtle push. The tea might assist in regulating your body's fat metabolism, prompting the balloons to deflate slightly. When coupled with a nutritious diet and regular exercise, akin to releasing some air from the balloons, it can aid in achieving weight loss goals. Sipping on calorie-free hibiscus tea can help satisfy your appetite without adding extra calories, simplifying the process of reducing your overall calorie intake. Research indicates that herbal teas, such as hibiscus, aid in weight loss by promoting hydration while reducing the consumption of sugary beverages. Worried about a potential time bomb in your arteries? High LDL cholesterol silently builds up, elevating your risk of heart disease. But what if there were straightforward methods to defuse this ticking bomb? Visualize your arteries as essential pipelines distributing nutrients throughout your body. As time passes, bad cholesterol accumulates like sticky residue within these pipelines, obstructing the flow. Implementing measures to lower bad cholesterol is akin to administering a thorough cleaning to your pipelines. It effectively removes the buildup, ensuring unhindered blood flow and promoting a healthy heart. Hibiscus boasts antioxidants such as beta-carotene, vitamin C, and anthocyanins. These powerful compounds play a vital role in preventing the oxidation of LDL cholesterol, a crucial step in the formation of arterial plaque buildup. Feeling the pressure? You're not alone. High blood pressure affects millions, but it doesn't have to dictate your life. Imagine your blood pressure as the force of water flowing through a river. In a healthy state, the water moves smoothly, nourishing all parts of the landscape, your body, effortlessly. However, high blood pressure resembles a dam obstructing the river's flow partially. The water, blood, exerts more pressure against the dam, arteries, to pass through, creating a powerful current, high pressure. Lowering blood pressure is akin to gradually opening the dam gates. It enables the water to flow freely, alleviating pressure on the entire system. Drinking hibiscus tea may decrease blood pressure by relaxing blood vessels, resulting in lower systolic and diastolic levels. Hibiscus tea contains compounds like anthocyanins and polyphenols linked to this blood pressure lowering effect. Studies indicate that regular hibiscus tea consumption can effectively reduce blood pressure in individuals with pre- and mildly hypertensive conditions, making it a valuable addition to dietary adjustments for such individuals. Thank you. We're thrilled to have shared this valuable information with you. Remember, improving your health is about making gradual, lasting changes. For additional tips and guidance on living a healthier life, don't hesitate to explore our other videos. We offer a variety of topics geared towards supporting your heart health. Don't miss out. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for the latest updates on health and wellness. We're grateful to have you as part of our community, and we wish you the very best on your journey to a healthier you.